you're on the hunt for workforce housing, that 300 or below price point in the brand new subdivisions, there are a couple hidden gems, and Carraway Gardens at Tryon is one of those. There's 4 different floor plans. This one is listed at just $300,000. These are brand new townhomes ranging from 1,600 to 1,800 square feet. Pool, the dog park, fenced in backyard, and I'll put a link down in the description so you could see all 4 floor plans. One thing before we go inside, I wanted to point out, this is actually fiber cement here, not that vinyl siding that you typically see. The concrete is brushed concrete, and there's white painted cedar columns on both sides here. So there's a lot of attention to detail here and a lot of really quality materials. Capital City Homes is actually a local builder, so you're getting that personalized touch with not only the actual building itself, but the transaction as you go through the process. So I just walked in, this is the front door here, and as soon as I walk in, I'm greeted by this open floor plan, and it's leading into the kitchen where there's a breakfast nook here with 3 stools. This is a quartz countertop, I believe that's an upgrade, and the chandeliers here are all, or not chandeliers, but light fixtures are also an upgrade because they're kind of fancy looking. But everything else you see here, like the idea of the island here and the farmhouse sink and the appliances and everything like that, that's all standard. The wooden cabinets and everything, that's all standard too. So this is just a really cool like open kitchen. And then you have also an informal breakfast nook dining area with, there's a chandelier, that's what I was talking about earlier. So you have this really wide kind of space, and you could put, they put like this circle table here with 4 chairs. Honestly fit a lot larger table in that section. Probably one of the coolest features of this floor plan is that it has an actual butler's pantry, which I typically only see in that 6 to $1 million price point. But you have like a separation here. You could use this as like a prep room, almost like a bar or something like that, separated from your actual kitchen and countertop area. Walking in, you have a full, and look, I'm standing inside of this, a full walk-in pantry with wooden shelves. So you have a lot of space for storage in your kitchen area. So it's about 6 o'clock, the sun's going down. During the day, if you keep these curtains open, there's a lot of just natural light in here, and you don't even really need to turn on the light. And then they put shiplap on the wall here. And then from the family room, you have your own little cubbies and hooks to hang stuff up, which is kind of neat because this is actually probably where you would enter the house most of the time if you own it, because who uses the front door, right? So really cool concept for a townhome. Let's go upstairs real quick. The second floor is carpeted, but you have this walk-in laundry room with wooden shelves and tile floor. This is huge. On the front wing of the townhome, you have the 2 bedrooms here and here, and then the shared bathroom on the second floor. Walking into the master here, this thing is huge. And just like the family room, it's got panoramic windows, and you have double crown molding. The shower is huge. Look at this marble tile. Whenever I'm walking through a house, I always look for like those details and stuff that kind of make certain houses unique. When you're dealing with like new construction, and there's a lot of these details that you can point out to people, it really shows that the builder did kind of give the design that personal touch, and that they really do care about the quality of their work. Shout out to Capital City Homes for making such a cool product. What's up guys, my name is Jon Tennant, real estate agent here in the Raleigh Triangle area. If you are interested in moving to or from the Triangle, reach out to me. Here's my contact information. We get calls, emails, and texts every single day from people that are doing this, and we absolutely love it. We love helping you guys. So go ahead and reach out if you have any questions or anything like that. Also, make sure you subscribe to this channel, would help me out a ton. Give me a like on the video, and also a comment if there's anything Raleigh or real estate or lifestyle related that you want a video about.